Meaning of grant.
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 Grant. The word grant typically means to give or bestow something, such as money, a privilege, or a right, to someone. It can also refer to the act of approving or allowing something, such as a request or application. Generally, a grant is a form of financial aid that does not need to be repaid, often provided by government agencies, foundations, or other organizations for specific purposes. Grants can support a range of activities in various fields, including education, research, community development, and social services, helping individuals and groups to achieve their goals and make positive changes in society.